The Clarksville housing market has officially shifted, and October's numbers make it clear. We are now in a buyer's market. Inventory is higher, and homes are sitting longer, and sellers are offering more concessions than ever. If you have been waiting for the right time to buy, this might be it. Let's take a look at what's really happening across Clarksville. Hi friends, I'm JkimRealtor right here in Middle Tennessee. Every week I share local insight to help you buy, sell, invest, and relocate with confidence. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will never miss any update. Let's start with the big picture for single-family homes in Clarksville. In October 2025, 555 new listings, down slightly from last year. 368 homes went under contract, up 21%. And the active inventory climbed 15% new nearly 1,500 homes. And closings held steady at 338. The average sale price was $343,000, up 2%, and the median hit $325,000. Homes took about 47 days to sell, which is longer than a year ago, and that's giving buyers more time and negotiation power. We are seeing more seller-paid closing costs and rate buy-downs, and even repair credit making a comeback. For one-bedroom homes, there was no activity this month. No new listing, no sales. These properties are rare in Clarksville, but when they hit the market, they tend to move fast since they are often affordable entry points or short-term rental opportunities. For two-bedroom homes, we saw 38 new listings, up 41%, and contract more than doubled, up 138%. The average price dropped to $190,394, down 14%, showing that smaller and more affordable homes are driving activity. Buyers in this range are getting great deals, with the sellers offering closing cost help and price flexibility. For three-bedroom homes, which make up most of Clarksville's housing market, new listings fell 20%, but contract rose 8%. The average price is now $304,985, up 2% year over year, and the median is $300,000. Homes are taking about 43 days to sell, and we are seeing more buyers negotiating seller-paid rate buy-downs or inspection repairs to offset higher interest rates. For four-bedroom homes, listings rose 23% and pending sales jumped 55%, so larger homes are still moving, but at adjusted price. The average sale price came in $404,852, down 2%, and the median at $368,000, down 6%. Sellers in this segment are more motivated, and many are offering concessions to attract buyers who are stretching their budget. And for five-bedroom homes, demand stayed strong. Closings surged 83%, and prices actually increased, with an average of $455,603, up 6%, and median at $438,900, up 9%. These larger, often newer homes are still selling, especially when sellers offer incentives like closing cost credit or rate reductions. Overall, Clarksville's market is balanced to leaning buyer-friendly. Buyers now have time to shop and negotiate and structure creative offers, something we haven't seen in a few years. Sellers are responding by pricing more competitively and offering concessions like closing cost help or 2-to-1 rate buy downs. If you are buying, this is your opportunity to get into market before rates drop and competition returns. Let me give you a quick example. I just helped a family buy a home where we negotiate the price down and got the sellers to cover their closing cost, and when the appraiser came, it was over $50,000 above what they paid. So they literally moved in with instant equity, over $50,000. And that's the kind of opportunity I look for, not just getting you into a home, but helping you build wealth from the day one. As we move toward the end of 2025, I expect prices to stay steady and inventory to thin out a bit for the holidays. But overall, Clarksville is still one of the most affordable and in-demand cities in Tennessee, especially for military families and buyers relocating from out of state. If you are thinking about buying, this is your moment to negotiate strong. And if you are selling, pricing right and offering buyer incentives will help you stand out in today's market. I'm Jakin with eXp Realty and helping you buy, sell, invest, and relocate with confidence. And thanks for watching today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.